Welcome. In front of me is a ODYS THANOS 10, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. To get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications straight from the top, expand the list, and in here locate the power saving mode. Now for me it's located right over here, but because my battery level is at 5% and I am plugged into charging, it is grayed out for me, as you can see. Turn on battery saver to extend battery life. See, can I turn it on? Nope, I cannot. Now if I would unplug the device, or there we go, if I unplug the charging, you can see that it is now accessible and I can click on it to enable it. Now replug it back in before it dies on me. There we go. When you replug your tablet into charging, it will automatically turn off your power saving mode. Now, one last thing that I'll mention, when your power saving mode is enabled, it will turn off things like Wi-Fi when the device is in sleep mode. And sleep mode would be considered this kind of state, when it is and the screen is locked and you're not using it. After like a couple of minutes, it disconnects from Wi-Fi to preserve battery life, and because of that, you won't be receiving any kind of notifications from applications that require internet connection. So, as an example, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, and so on will not give you any kind of notifications as long as you're not really using the device. When you wake it up again, as I just did, it will reconnect to that network and sync up all the messages and everything that was missing. So there we go. So anyway, that's the power saving mode, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.